went down to Captain Tony to get out of the heat. I heard a voice call out to me, "Son, come and have a seat." I had to search my memories as I looked into those eyes. Our lives changed like the weather, but a legend never dies. He said, "I ate the last mango in Paris. I took the last plane out of Saigon. I took the first class boat to China. And Jimmy, there's still so much to be done." I met a third world girl in Muzio with a pistol in each hand. She always kept me covered as we moved from land to land. I had a damn good run on Wall Street with my high fashion Model Y. I woke up dry beneath the African sky, just me and my Swiss Army knife. She said, "I ate the last mango in Paris. I took the last plane out of Saigon. I took the first class boat to China. Jimmy, there's still so much to be done." We shot the breeze for hours and the sun fell from the sky. And like the sun he disappeared before my very eye. Well, it was getting past dark 30 as I went back to the head. I read upon the dingy walls the words the old man said. He said, "I ate the last mango in Paris. I took the last plane out of Saigon. I took the first class boat to China. And Jimmy, there's still so much to be done." I ate the last mango in Paris. I took the last plane out of Saigon. I took the first class boat to China. Jimmy, there's still so much to be done. That's why we wander and follow la vie dansant on the night wind that takes us just where I roam. That's all I want. La vie dansant.